Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Deloitte has finally announced the hiring for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA graduate of 2025 batch. This is a wonderful opportunity. Please watch the video till the end, because if you do any mistake in registration process, then you will not be getting email for the written test. So please watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I do not want you to miss any good hiring, genuine hiring, right? Friends, see, whatever hirings or preparation videos you will see on our channel, it will be genuine, and that is the reason we put only the content which is required for you. Now, so Deloitte has officially announced Gateway to Engineering track hiring. Okay, so let us go in detail one by one and try to understand it. So welcome to the national level assessment Gateway to Engineering track, your gateway to a future at Deloitte. So I was already telling you that Deloitte will definitely hire in 2025 batch. For cyber security, they hired in 2024, and for all other branches, right, for different roles, they are going to hire now. So Deloitte US India offices presents a dynamic opportunity for eligible final year student from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, CSIT and Circuital branches to transform your career and redefine your perspective through a career with Deloitte. Circuital branches means electronics and communication, electrical, right? Already computer science, information technology are included. And if you come down here they have clearly mentioned that a student graduating in 2025, and you can see, so the year of graduation should be 2025 and aggregate of 60% or equivalent CGPA and above in the current degree with no active backlogs. Not only this, friends, I will also tell you about the complete syllabus. So here we will see, so what will be the syllabus, how to prepare, the complete information you will be getting in this particular video. Now, so let us try to understand here. So Bachelor of Technology, BTech or BE with specialization in computer science, allied computer science streams, information technology and all circuital branches. Okay. Master of Technology or Integrated Master of Technology with specialization in computer science, allied computer science streams and information technology. Master of Computer Application, and 60% they need. And the salary offered here will be 4 lakhs per annum. Your compensation will be 4 lakhs plus variable benefit. So Deloitte is a very good company, friends. Do not miss this opportunity. So you must be heard about Deloitte, and if you don't know, I would like to tell you it's a very good company to work with, right? You can leave Infosys for Deloitte. So Deloitte is such a good company. Now, so if you click here assessment anatomy engineering, then you will be getting the PDF file which I was talking about. Anyway, so before we go and talk about the assessment anatomy, like what will be the syllabus and the pattern of the examination, let us see how you will be able to register. So friends, here they will be also giving you the resume format. So that resume format I will make a separate video, because I don't want a student to get confused with the hiring and then in the same hiring process how to make a resume and all. So one separate video I am going to make on resume, and that will be uploaded within 2 to 3 hours of these videos get published. Now, so please understand this step to take the registration process, okay, and then only you apply for it. Okay, so don't apply in hurry. You have time. Study only this notification is out, so you have time. So please take some time and then you apply. So here you see the photo. In your photo, no, the background should be white, okay, and your photo should be smiling, no glasses and all, and here you don't have photo with some of your friend, and then you can click on register. Then you will be redirected to a particular different page. Okay, so here this is the consent page, so you just need to select I agree. Okay, if there is any I agree is there, that you can select it, fine. Then so personal detail, first name, legal name, middle name and the last name. Okay, and then email address, alternative email address, mobile number, alternate mobile number, date of birth you can put, gender. So gender, male or female, don't hide, because Deloitte hires on talent basis, not on gender basis. Okay, so please here you mark either you are male or female. Male do not mark female, and female anyway they will mark female only. Present address details. So give your current address, pin code, city, state, country. Friends, please fill the form very, very carefully, because last year what happened? See, when you are filling the form, no, people will not take it very seriously. And if you are doing any mistake here, like your first name, last name, or any detail, then your offer letter will be generated with the same, and then you will be in very much confusion that Deloitte will give you joining or not, and there is, you won't be able to reach them easily. So your current address, okay, your educational detail, each and every detail when you are filling for this kind of company. See, for a startup and all, that is still fine. But when you are going and when you have this kind of opportunity, then friends, you should and must not do any kind of mistake. And if, right, so here you see university registration number, other details, gap in education, do you have any standing backlogs, have you appeared for an assessment interview with Deloitte in the last 6 months, do you have any offer in hand? Okay, so even though if you have any offer in hand, you select no only. Okay, so you select that you do not have any offer. Okay, because if you select if you have an offer in your hand, then what they will do, they will utilize this opportunity. Are you open to internship? Yes. Okay, so that date you can give. Are you an Indian citizen? Do you have an existing offer letter from Deloitte? Okay, or has been work experience? So if you don't have any work experience, you select no. Deloitte alumni information, are you a former employee of Deloitte? Are bhai, you are hiring for 2025 graduate. See, this company also know sometimes like they will use the same form for everyone. Stupid rules actually. So if somebody is a fresher, 2025 pass out, how he will be a former employee of Deloitte? Okay, professional certification, if you have any additional certification, faculty in charge of placement. Okay, and then you can attach your photo and resume, CV. So this is very, very important for Deloitte. Otherwise, what will happen now? Your application, after you apply, you will not be able to hear back from Deloitte. Okay, so this resume format I will make it for you, don't worry about it. Now the second thing is, friends, how to prepare. Okay, the exam pattern and all. Before that, friends, I just wanted to tell you, see, if you really want to crack the examination, then you need to prepare. Every single opportunity, treat it as a last opportunity, I am telling you, otherwise you will regret. So we have 2025 batch, we have Achievers 2.5 batch. Okay, and if you are belong from 2024 batch, then we have Achiever 2.4 batch, where daily live classes, practice questions, test, lot of things we are doing on daily basis. And friend, trust me, 2024 batch, if you'll go and ask now, or you might be also seeing, there is no opportunity. So once you graduate from the college, you also will not have any opportunity. I'm not scaring you. You have to know the truth. Based on that only, you can plan the things. So this Achiever batch will definitely help you if you're from 2025, 2026 batch to get placed as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will keep struggling, right? Now let us see what is the Deloitte pattern. So here, if you will try to see Deloitte Gateway to engineering hiring, HirePro test anatomy. So this exam will be basically happening on HirePro platform. Test duration will be 90 minutes. Number of questions, 65 questions in the multiple choice MCQ format, 2 questions in the live programming coding format. The test is fully proctored using video and audio. During the test, your video and audio would be recorded and analyzed too. Okay, that is okay. The test is divided in 5 sections. Okay, so the first section will be English. The section consists of 10 MCQs and 3 fill in the blanks question. The sections will evaluate your ability to understand and use English in the workplace. The question will measure your knowledge of English vocab, grammar, sentence constructions, sentence arrangement, and overall language compensation. General aptitude, reasoning ability. So there will be 12 MCQ in reasoning and 10 MCQs in quantitative aptitude. Technical MCQs, 30 MCQs will be there in computer science, networking, cyber security, and cloud computing. The section will also evaluate your programming acumen and programming language capabilities in the chosen programming language. Coding, you will be given C, C++, CSAT, Java, Python. So the previous year videos also we have done many, that also you will be able to find it on our channel. Okay, So this section consists of one live coding nugget and one live programming question. Okay, so this is the total. So English, reasoning and aptitude. Okay, so total 20 plus 32 questions will be there from your aptitude and language skills. Okay, and then 30 MCQs will be there from computer science, networking, cyber security and cloud computing, and then 2 coding questions will be there. That's all. 90 minutes, 1.5 hours they will give you, and total 65 questions will be there, right? Okay, so the next video will be on your how to make the resume for the Deloitte. The resume format also we will provide you. Okay, and get Achiever badge. Trust me, if you really want to get placed, then you have to take a step today. Otherwise, later on, once you graduate, there will be nothing left out except regrets. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for all your love and support. We will be keep working very, very hard for you. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet soon in another video of resume.